Right, so we're going to move on to bowling. Let's start off with, say, the away swinger. Okay, the away swinger, shining, when the sign is shine, is on the inside of the ball, on the inside. The middle finger and index finger either side of the seam or on the seam. You want to have the thumb right in the middle, bottom of the ball, and you want the seam pointing towards first or second slip. That's the away swinger. The in swinger, you have the shiny side on the outside. Again, you have the middle and index finger on the seam. You have the thumb down the middle of the seam, bottom of the ball, and the ball slanted towards fine leg. That is for the in swinger. Right, that's basically the two types of deliveries you can bowl if you want to choose to bowl medium pace or fast bowling. Let's move on to the spin department. Right, the off spinner. Generally, you have the index finger and the middle finger split down halfway down the ball, and you have the thumb also on the bottom of the ball. Note that the seam is obviously square and not pointing towards the batsman, especially pointing from cover to mid-wicket. That's basically the grip for an off spinner. Right, then we go on to the leg spin. Again, you can see here, you have the middle finger and the index finger split again, holding the ball the same way as you do for an off spinner, but index finger here also along the side of the ball, and your thumb is basically also at the bottom of the ball. It's right there like that. So that is the action. That's why it's called wrist spin or leg spin, because it's got to do with wrists. You roll your wrist when you bowl. The off spin, you roll your wrist that way, right? Rhythm-wise, run-up-wise, that depends entirely. Obviously, if you choose to bowl spin, it'll be a lot shorter. Fast bowler and medium pacer, obviously a bit longer, but ultimately with regards to the run-up, it's got to be nice and smooth, nice and rhythmic. Once you hit the crease, you still want to have that momentum, whether you're bowling spin or whether you're bowling fast. You still want to be able to have that momentum going right through the crease. You want to go towards the batsman with your follow-through. And that's basically it with regards to the introduction towards, bowling in general. Right, that's all for now for this episode. Please join me for the next one.